Are you wondering like you may get pregnant? While for pregnancy, the surest way is to do a pregnancy test, but there are some early symptoms which may indicate the possibilities of pregnancy. Hi, I am Smita Pradhan and today we'll talk about the early pregnancy symptoms. Here we need to remember that all pregnancies are unique. So as the pregnancy symptoms, it may differ from one woman to another woman or from one pregnancy to another pregnancy also. So let's start with the early pregnancy symptoms. The first is missed period. While missed period is a reliable symptom of pregnancy, when your periods are regular and you miss your period, then this can be an indication that you are pregnant. So when fertilization occurs, the fertilized egg implant itself to the uterus and after that period doesn't start. So this is a confirmed way of having pregnancy, while this can be more confirmed doing a home urine test. So doctors generally advise to wait up to 7 to 8 days after your period date is missed and then you do a urine test at home and you can confirm your pregnancy. It will check your HCG level and you will get two prominent lines like it happen in most of the pregnancy test kit. When you get two prominent lines, it will confirm your pregnancy. But if your periods are not regular, so missing your period date may not be a pregnancy always. So in that case, you need to correlate with other pregnancy like symptoms. So the next symptom is breast heaviness. So our breast may become very sensitive to the hormone changes happening during pregnancy, and at the same time breast start preparing itself for the breastfeeding process also. So you may feel a sensation of heaviness, mild pain or soreness in your breast, and the area around the nipple may darken a bit. So this is another early signs of pregnancy. The next symptom is frequent urination sensation. While pregnancy starts, our blood volume increases up to 50%. So our kidney has to process more fluid, and with the increased size of uterus also, it increases the pressure on the bladder. So the urination sensation comes, and by the end of 12th week, when uterus rises up to the abdomen, body becomes little normal and this sensation reduce a bit. The next symptom is nausea and vomiting. This is also known as morning sickness, and this is one of the prominent symptoms of pregnancy. With increased level of beta HCG and estrogen hormone in our body feel the nausea and vomiting, and this sensation may continue throughout the day and it remain at the level of its peak from 2nd week to 8th week. By end of 16th week, body makes its own adjustment with the hormonal level and you feel normal. But if this nausea and vomiting is happening, is causing a problem and you are not being able to adjust with it, we need to consult with a doctor and take proper medication for it. The next point is tiredness. Due to increased level of progesterone which maintain the uterus lining, our body may feel tired throughout the day, and that's why doctor suggests not to exert yourself and you can take rest in between when you feel tired. The next symptom is mood swing. With changing in hormonal level in our body, mood swing occur very frequently. You may feel sad, you may feel happy, you may feel upset, and at times it may happen that you suddenly start crying without really knowing why. So these hormonal changes do all these games of mood swing. The next symptom is cramps. We feel period like pain in our pelvic region, and it is one of the very common symptoms also of our early pregnancy days. It may happen because of the implantation of fertilized egg to the uterus. So this is a little or mild pain like sensation may remain. One of the common symptoms of pregnancy is bloating or constipation. So with the increasing level of progesterone hormone, it relaxes our body muscles. This includes our intestinal muscles too. Hence it slows down the digestion process and it causes constipation. And due to the same reason, the valves of our stomach also become relaxed and it pushes the food towards upward. So this causes the sensation of bloating and acidity. The next symptom is food aversion or food cravings. This is one of the common scene we have seen in movies also. They show like suddenly a woman start liking some other food or disliking towards the favorite food also. So this happens because of the hormonal changes also. The taste and smell it happen. We strongly start disliking some food which may be our favorite food, but we start disliking, or our interest towards other foods increase which are not our regular food also. So these are some early symptoms of pregnancy. While it may happen a woman become pregnant without having any of these symptoms also, or a woman cannot be pregnant having all these symptoms also. So missing a period is the reliable symptom of a pregnancy. When you missed your period, wait for 7 to 8 days so that the HCG level in urine increases and you can do a home urine test. So when we discussed all these early symptoms, there are some other symptoms also like acidity, headache, and vaginal discharge also. So all these symptoms combined give a possibility of pregnancy. As we discussed, pregnancy symptoms are unique for one pregnancy to another pregnancy. So you correlate all the symptoms and do a home urine test. So in my previous videos we have discussed about how to prepare for pregnancy physically, mentally, and what exercises we can do, and today we discussed the early pregnancy signs. So in our upcoming videos we'll discuss more related to pregnancies. So if you find my video helpful for you or your friends or relatives, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Till then, take care. Bye. Thank you.